Welcome back to the channel. Today, we go inside the factory where military combat uniforms are made.
This facility produces combat uniforms designed for some of the most demanding environments on Earth.
Inside, precision machinery operates around the clock. The process starts long before a uniform takes shape.
Natural fibers are combined with synthetics to increase durability. This blend forms the foundation of combat-ready textiles.
The fibers are aligned and straightened through carding. This step ensures uniform strength throughout the material.
The weaving process interlocks thousands of threads. This is where fabric begins to take form.
Look at this section right here.
Yes, I see it. Mark that as a defect.
From weaving, the fabric moves deeper into the facility. Preparation for camouflage and protection is about to begin.
I'm activating the pre-wash cycle now.
Confirmed. Solutions are ready.
These unfinished materials are only the beginning of a much more complex transformation. The next stage will define their true purpose. High-pressure washing removes residual particles. Clean fibers ensure better bonding during later treatments.
The temperature in chamber 3 is fluctuating again.
I see it. Let's increase the flow rate slightly.
At a microscopic level, the fibers begin to change. Clean surfaces allow consistent treatment across every thread.
Excess liquid is carefully removed to maintain balance. Too much moisture can affect the next stages.
Drying stabilizes the material after washing. Controlled heat prevents distortion and preserves structure.
The fabric is stretched to maintain uniform dimensions. Precision here ensures accurate cutting later.
Edges are trimmed to remove inconsistencies. Clean lines are essential for uniform garment assembly.
Each roll is measured and sorted. Consistency is critical for large-scale production.
A controlled coating is applied across the surface. This layer strengthens the fabric against wear and environmental stress.
The fabric is now cleaned, stabilized, and prepared. It moves forward, ready for transformation into functional combat material.
The process now reaches its core stage. Here, the fabric begins its transformation into functional military camouflage.
Specialized printers apply complex camouflage patterns. Each layer is calibrated for concealment in diverse environments. Consistency is critical across every roll. Even slight variations can compromise effectiveness in the field.
The dyes bond deeply with the fibers. This ensures long-lasting color even under harsh conditions.
Heat fixation locks the dyes into place. This step prevents fading during repeated use and washing.
Temperature must remain exact at all times. Small deviations can affect color stability and fabric integrity.
Cooling stabilizes the treated fabric. It prepares the material for additional reinforcement processes.
The fabric is now cut into uniform components. Accuracy here determines the final fit of each garment. Each piece is cut with extreme precision. Every millimeter is carefully controlled. Cut components are sorted into sets. Each set will form a complete uniform.
The individual pieces now move toward assembly. The next stage focuses on construction and durability.
Everything is now ready for assembly. Precision stitching will soon bring these components to life.
seams are reinforced with high-tension stitching. This prevents tearing under stress. Critical areas receive double stitching. These zones endure the most wear during use.
Reinforced patches are added to high-impact areas. These sections extend the life of the uniform.
Pockets are constructed with durable thread. They must withstand repeated use in the field. Pocket flaps provide protection and concealment. Every detail serves a functional purpose.
Fastening systems are integrated for flexibility. They allow quick adjustments during operation.
Knee areas are strengthened for rugged terrain. These reinforcements reduce long-term damage.
Excess threads are carefully remolded. Clean finishing is essential for both function and appearance.
The uniforms now take their final shape. Next comes detailed inspection and performance testing.
Finished uniforms now enter the inspection phase. Every detail is carefully examined before approval.
Measurements are verified using precision systems. Accuracy ensures proper fit in real-world use. Uniforms undergo wash testing to simulate field conditions. Color and structure must remain intact.
Post-wash inspection confirms durability. The fabric must resist fading and distortion.
Abrasion resistance is tested through repeated friction. This ensures long-term wear performance.
Garments that fail inspection are set aside. Only those meeting strict standards continue forward.
Approved uniforms are prepared for final presentation. Consistency is maintained even in folding.
After rigorous testing, the uniforms are cleared for distribution. The final stage will prepare them for deployment.
Each component is folded uniformly. Consistency ensures efficient packing and storage.
Protective wrapping shields the uniforms from dust and moisture. This ensures safe transport.
Packaging containers are prepared for shipment. Strength and durability are essential at this stage.
Each box is filled with precision. Proper arrangement prevents damage during transit. Boxes are sealed to protect the contents. Every package is secured for long-distance transport. Labels ensure traceability and tracking. Every shipment is monitored from factory to destination. Completed orders are stored in controlled warehouses. Organization is key for rapid deployment.
Shipments leave the factory in coordinated operations. The uniforms are now ready for distribution.
The uniforms arrive at military facilities. Distribution continues closer to the field.
The final product is revealed. It reflects every stage of precision manufacturing. From raw fibers to field-ready gear, the process is complete. The uniform is now prepared for real-world operations.